Welcome to Boop Rhymes. Let's sing, smile, and giggle together. Giggle, boop.
I pedal my bike in the silvery night. The moon is a lantern, the stars shine bright. A kite in my hand begins to rise, painting its colors across the skies. The wheels go rolling, clippity-clack. The kite goes forward, it never looks back. It dances and twirls with a gentle breeze, weaving its ribbons around the trees. Fireflies sparkle, glowing with cheer, whispering softly, the night is here. The owls call hoo-hoo from up so high. My kite gives a wink to the watching sky. The bike bell jingles a happy tune, echoing softly beneath the moon. My shadow stretches along the lane as stars fall quietly like silver rain. The river reflects the glowing kite, a rainbow ribbon of shining light. I laugh and I sing as the wheels spin round. The kite sways gently without a sound. The night wind whistles a lullaby song, pushing my kite as it floats along. The trees sway slowly, the crickets play, guiding my kite on its glowing way. My bike is steady, my heart takes flight with my dancing kite in the velvet night. Magic is real when the sky feels near. Every star sparkles to say I'm here. A ride, a kite, and the moon so bright. That's the joy of the peaceful night.